In a pan, add half cup ghee. Now add 1 cup maida. Now stir it continuously on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture becomes creamy. Once it becomes creamy, transfer it to a bowl and cool it for 5 minutes. Now take 1 cup sugar and 3 cardamom. Now grind it to fine powder. Now when the maida mixture becomes warm, add powdered sugar little by little and mix it well. Add sugar as per your taste. Now apply ghee to a bowl and transfer the maida mixture into it. Refrigerate for 20 minutes and enjoy your tasty halkova. Try this recipe once and make sure to share your comments below. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe.